Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first open Gmail application and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see here our Gmail account in our app, and just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, we should log out from Gmail account in Google account settings. So to do that, we should click here to manage Google accounts on this device and then click here to our Gmail account. After that, just click here remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. Are you sure? Yes, tap to OK. After that, you should confirm your action with a pattern or with pin code if you and after that we can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one, just we have no here any logged in accounts. And let's go back to the application. Let's just refresh it and we can see that we just successfully just log out from Gmail account in Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.